So good evening everybody. Today we are taking custom settings. So here we will see why it requires, what's the basic definition of the custom setting and its type, few interview questions which were asked in Accenture as well as in Salesforce during few interviews that we have seen, and fourth one is the live session. Just we will create one custom setting and what all are the things which were asked in Salesforce. Okay, so this is the today's agenda. Let's start. So first, let's understand what is custom setting. So here you are able to see, right, one lady and one boy. So here you see there are few cups, right, which is easily accessible to this boy to get it and drink it, right? Maybe a water, maybe a juice. So he can easily take and yes, he can drink it. And here are a few things that he orders to his mom, that my mom, I want to eat this thing. So mother goes and cook it and deliver to the child so he can eat. So there are two things the boy is going to eat. Now one is easily accessible like a drinking water or a juice, and second, he demands, right? He demands. Then his mother went to kitchen and he prepared it and he will come with the food. So better explanation. So the quickly accessible, it's a custom setting, right? And whenever mom goes to prepare in the kitchen, it's a kind of a SOQL. So this boy is actually free, right? If he wants to drink the water, so easily he is able to do that. This is what is a custom setting. Hope now it is clear to you as a normal flow. Now we are going ahead. Let's see what are the basic definitions and what are the types. So as you maybe heard that custom setting is a standard object and it is almost same as compared to custom object, right? But there are some advantage and disadvantage. So developers can enable the custom settings, right, in their org. It may or may not applicable to the organization wise profile or a specific user, right? So custom setting is what it is available in your cache of the organization. So easily data can be accessible, right? So what are the advantages? So we'll see later in this video what are the advantages and disadvantages of the custom settings. So now type of custom settings are two type of custom settings. First is the list custom setting and the hierarchy custom setting. So if you will see the list custom setting, right, it will be available globally in the org, right? We can put our query and we can retrieve the data. This is what a custom setting. Now, coming to the hierarchy custom setting, it is specific to the profile or a user, right? Means based on the profile or the user is able to get the data. Okay, so let's see. I will give you the example of this one. Now, coming to the interview questions. So, what is a custom setting? Right? Interview asked you what is a custom setting. So, custom settings are data, right? Are stored in application case and it is easy to access. It's very easy to access. Then now there are two type of custom settings. That's a list custom setting. It holds the same data for every user in the organization. Means I said across the organization. It means this data is available for everyone. Now the second one is the hierarchy custom setting. Hierarchy custom setting means it holds the data based on their user and profile. Now interviewer will next ask this question. It may be. So what is the real example? Can you share some real example that how we can when we have to use list or when we have to use the hierarchy? So how you can handle it? So see, I have given the list that is IN to India, US to United States, fin to Finland. It will be general applied to the complete organization. This is what my list custom setting. Now coming to the hierarchy. Suppose you're using Amazon, right? So you got some kind of discounts. So for man shirts, right? For man's shirts, you're getting 10%, and the for women's skirt maybe 20%. So how Amazon people will give this discount to you, right? So they, based on their profile, means gender, right, male or female, they will populate their messages according to their login, right? For man shirt we will giving you 10% discount, right? And for the woman it will show the 20% discount. So it's based on user or a profile. This is what is the real time example. Now this is a most fourth question asked by in Accenture and Salesforce, that how do you enable the SSL query in custom setting. So I will show you the demo after this for the fourth question and for the fifth question, right? For this we need to go schema setting and we need to enable it. This is also asked in Accenture. So the previous one, if you will see, SSL query, and the second one is a custom setting, sorry, it's a setting type. So we'll see here. So what are the fields that you can create custom settings? So these all are the URL, text, means number, percentage, everything. Now what all are the methods you have in custom setting and hierarchy settings? So their methods are almost same in custom setting and hierarchy setting, but we need to pass as, if we in list we are, if IN means India, US means United States, so I will pass IN here, right? Dataset name, in dataset name, so it will give me the proper result. And for the hierarchy we have to pass the profile ID or the user ID to get the details. Okay, so now some differences between custom object and custom setting. So in custom object, triggers are involved, right? But in custom settings we don't have a trigger. In custom objects we have a maximum limit of the fields, like 500 fields, and if you want to increase that, so you have to request to Salesforce, they will increase the fields. But in custom setting we have a fixed 300 fields. In custom objects we have a very high limit of the storage, right? But in custom settings we have only 10 MB. For custom objects we need to put SOQL query, it counts in every transaction of Salesforce. But in custom setting we don't have to worry about it, because it is already available in application cache and we can easily retrieve it from there. So the third one is share the record with the sharing setting. Means we need to share the record, right? If you want to share the record from one record to one person to another person, then we need to put the sharing settings. We have an option, but we don't have any option in custom setting. So going to the next, what is the advantage and disadvantage of custom setting? So the quick access of data, it's a very big advantage of custom setting. Second, no query required. Okay, so there is a one thing that we need to cover. I'm going to cover in our live session. So what exactly it is? It is means you have to not Salesforce will not count it, right, in the DML operation. This is the big thing. The third is hierarchy custom setting. So hierarchy custom setting is depend on your profile and users. Now what are the disadvantages? So custom setting data cannot be deployed to any other org. So if in Sandbox you have created custom settings and the relevant data and you want to export it, means you have to migrate that data and the complete structure in your production or any higher environment, then this is not possible from custom settings. But now we have a metadata to handle this one. So I'm going to create one more video on metadata where we will come to know how we can handle it. So the tab is not possible to create. The limit memory is 10 MB only 300 fields are allowed, and manually means we need to deploy the data of custom setting manually, but structure we can move from the from if you are using Copado or Ant or chain set, up to you. Okay, so quickly we will go to the org and we will see. I'm going to create one custom setting and I will show you how it works. So this is a custom setting. We can in setup we can check. I have opened one custom setting tab. Right now I don't have anything. I'm going to create. So in Accenture and TCS it was asked how we can enable this setting type, right? So we have an option, right? How can we enable it? That is called that is we can call, so we can call it schema setting, right? We will go to schema and setting. So here you can see we have few options. This one, manage list setting type and enable SSOL on custom setting. So if we will see the question number 4, how can you enable the SSOL query in the custom setting? It was asked in Accenture and Salesforce. So that is the answer, that we need to click this one. And the 5th one is, how do you enable the setting type in custom setting? So once you will enable it, so setting type will be enabled, right? What I will do, I will just enable this one. That's all I need to do. Now I will just refresh this page and you will see now it is enabled. Now it is enabled. Okay, let me put some I can put the country only. Object name we can hierarchy and list. Hierarchy means based on your profile and users, and list is global for the across. But nowadays no one using the list. So every for the list we are using the metadata. It's an advanced version of custom settings. Okay, so my next video will be on the metadata only. So now why they are giving offer to create use the custom setting, the only because of hierarchy. Okay, so let's create the and take the setting type as a list. So next is the visibility. Visibility we are using basically for the managed package, but right now we can ignore this one. Okay, let's save this one. Once it got saved, now you have to create a custom fields, right? So I will create a one custom field. So these all are the options which are available to create, right? We don't have a lookup, we don't have a formula field, we don't have pictures, blobs, booleans, and no lookup. But in metadata we have a lookup option, right? It will be a self lookup. We will see in my next video. Okay, so let's create one text here. Country. I will give 40. Next. Save. So here I'm going to create only one field because just I need to show you one example, right? So I will go to the manage. I will create few records and then we will query. So name maybe IN and then I will put India. I need to click save and new will be a better option, and maybe US, you can say United States, and FIN Finland. Okay, let's save this one. So if you will go to the manage now, you are able to see all the 3 records which we have just created. Let me show you. Back to list. So these all are the records which are saved. Now these all are the common for everyone, right? We have seen in our presentation. What I'm going to do now, I will not here developer console. I can close. Okay, so whenever you want, you can disable it, right? So let me remove all this code. Okay, so you know what is our object name? Custom setting. Country, it may be country underscore C, but take, yeah, this is the API name. So I will put the, and I will put the C country abbreviation equal to again dot get values. Okay, so I'm passing here IN. Okay, now I will put system debug this one. Now this is the my name field, right? My name field, IN is my name field, and we have created all other fields, right? Not other fields, only one field. So I'm going to execute this one. You will see all the relevant records, right? Like created by and everything, owner name, everything. See, last modify is deleted, created by, created. So everything you are getting. India, right? IN means India, the ID is there, but we want what we want exactly, what all other things we want. So it came in a map, right? So what I will do, I will go there, and this is my field that I want, right? I want only this field, no other field. So what I will do, I will go here and I will put dot and this one. Just execute this one. Now if you will see my debug log, so you will see only India will come, right? Hope it will be clear to you all. USA, no, USA, we don't have a USA, we have a US field. And debug only United States. So this is how it is working. So hope I have given the complete thing to you. One more thing, get value and get instance, 2 things are there. So if we will put instance here, so it will work same as it is, not an issue. Deeper, yeah, so it will work for you. Just I have passed the as per our requirement, and I put it. So this is all about the custom setting, and in my next video I will be show, because lot of questions are nowadays asked in by the interviewer to regarding metadata, how you are using it, how what all are the overcomes from custom setting to metadata, why still we are using custom settings. Now why we are using the custom setting? Just because of hierarchy custom setting, we are using the custom setting. Okay, and we will see you in my next video on metadata type. So kindly subscribe my channel, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.